You see that? You see the turtles?
Yeah. Where's Daddy?
It's right there, and that one down in the water right there.
Where?
You see it down there in the water? Stop, Keith.
Have more bumpy, lumpy skin, right? Now I'm talking about a toad, but I'm showing you what? What is this little thing?
What's
Ooh,
that?
little crawly things. What are they?
Crickets.
Crickets, right. With their 6 legs. All animals do. If they eat, they also must what? Poo. That's right. So scat is our, so you've got the, and it sounds bad to say it's a toad and a turd, but that's what it is. We have a toad and a scat in there. So you can see that's a lot of stuff that comes out of that little toad, isn't it? So she doesn't have teeth in there. She uses her eyes. They kind of go down. But I can't get to it because the guys are in the way. I can't see. You guys look out. There's a cricket under you. Cricket's on the loose. He's over this way. That's okay.
Where is it? I can just catch
Did it get in there? I think she didn't eat it.
You're gonna stick something. Oh, she turned around.
Oh, he got it.
Got it. Now look around on the floor and see if we see guys. Maryland State reptile. You're looking
Oh, that's
That
in
turtle?
the tank. This we can't take the shell off. How about that? So how did it happen? What happened? How do we have a shell and no turtle?
You cut it off.
No, we wouldn't do it. It died. It died. Just when they die, that's the only time you could see the inside of the turtle. Now I'm going to set up a touch table up here so that you guys with one finger can come up and touch the different things on the table, all right? So instead of bringing it around, I'm going to let you guys see it up close. But how about, if I hear somebody rumbling around over here, if we need a real live box turtle? Oh! Now see, I bring out the puppet.
Hey, look. You
Because
see the turtle?
box turtle. It's okay.
You see that
I
turtle?
wouldn't bring anything out here that's going to plunge out. Turtlenecks, yeah, it comes from the turtle because they have these wild little turtleneck kind of thing. It looks like it's extra skin there, but it's so that they can put their head inside their shell. We don't put our head inside our turtlenecks, and work that way. Feels like many people don't know what they feel like because they stay out to sea, right? The only time a sea turtle comes back to the land is if it's a female. That's right. So then they can lay the eggs. Good job. You're gonna be a future time of the cold blood of the reptiles. Who knows about cold blood reptiles?
Horses have more blood.
Horses have, yeah, absolutely. Why do you say ew? They don't always stink. That's their secret weapon. That's how they protect themselves, right? They have a lot of teeth in their mouths, and they can bite anything that bothers them, but they just walk away. They don't usually come around people. They come out at nighttime most of the time. No worries, it's just a skin. It's just a skin. It doesn't even stink. They took the stinker out of it, right? But these guys, they have that secret weapon. It's like pepper spray. So if something doesn't leave them alone, and they give you warnings. Do you ever get warnings? I'll keep you up here with me. And that way you can always, oh, it's okay, it's okay. And
Look at
Phoenix,
Slick.
she's just a little nervous. Don't leave us. Just don't leave us. Because the one way you get over. Okay,
See that snake there?
I need everybody's listening ears. Okay, the one way you get over being afraid of snakes is getting to meet them and get to see how very cool they are. And if we didn't have snakes, we'd have a lot of mice and rats. And these guys eat mice and rats, but this snake, you will like it even if you don't like snakes because it eats other snakes. How about that? This one's a king snake. What's that? Not so much worms. They like snakes. They, they're snakes. And this one's called a California king snake.
Like some worms, like long worms.
There's a worm snake that it would eat. Not usually like worms, but they do like a lot of mice and rats. Now what's cool about snakes is that they don't see very well.
Yeah.
There you go. Good job. And you can touch the other things on the table with one finger. Good job. That's good. One finger.
Just that?
Very good. Two ways. All right. Good. All right.
Mommy
Everybody got it.
And you can touch the first one.
Everybody got it. Oh my God. It's stupid.
And I took a side profile too. I said I lied, so you have to bring it back.
He wanted everybody to see it.
She said that feel like cola.
Oh my God.
Oh, I don't know, some rapper cheer, I think.
This too.
Just go one way. If you go to
Why they call it a king snake?
king snake, because it eats other snakes.
This is what I'm terrified
In the
of.
condom. I can't.
My house?
This is a big.
Very nice snake.
Is he poisonous? Is he around here?
Well, we have king snakes. We have eastern king snakes. You just want to go one way down towards its tail.
Okay,
You
sure,
go
I got
both
it.
ways, it kind of pushes
excuse me.
pushing off your fingernail. Yeah, it pushes off their scales. Yeah, check it out. Oh, the bearded dragon. Yes.
Hi, baby.
I'm so happy. That was awesome.
May God bless you.